All right, welcome back to another day. We are, showed y'all on a little video, we are out here to pick up a car. We have decided to go ahead and get that. I got my grandson Braden out here helping me, and we went and got the trailer that I built a couple of years ago, mainly because mine's not done. We're gonna get this thing loaded up and taken to the shop. We got to get some tires aired up though, so y'all hold out. Guess they'll hold it. Yeah, that's the only bad thing. I gotta fix that. Hey, take those batteries out and set them on the back of that car. They don't go. Yeah, don't open that. There's locks in there. Hey, it's taking air.
Heck yeah. Starter off this thing.
Huh?
If you look the starter off this thing.
No, it's definitely too big to start. While he gets that, I'm gonna get the chain. Is that one taking air too?
Yeah.
That's good. This side doesn't have one, but
What'd you say?
this side doesn't have one. But
That side does.
huh?
Oh,
Yeah.
this tire's wrong way.
Looks like.
That's the whole way. That's crazy that all the tires aired up.
Huh?
That's crazy that all the tires.
Uh-huh.
Huh?
I said uh-huh.
We should just try to turn the key.
Oh, I already have.
Will it turn off?
No, it's dead.
Huh?
It's dead.
I'm saying if I hook this up to it.
No, it's still dead.
Mr. John did it.
All right, let's see.
Nothing. It's on free spool.
Get in and drive.
I'm just making sure.
No, I turned it.
Yeah.
Huh?
Key in?
No, here. Straight. Hey. Oh.
What is it?
It's catching on the lip right here. Straight. That's it. Set the emergency brake real quick.
I put the emergency brake on and I put
All right,
it in.
all right, wait a minute. Come up here real quick.
Yeah, I don't think this joker's
As long as you got the emergency brake set and it's in gear,
Oh yeah, it's in here.
it ain't going nowhere. Winch makes things so much easier. All right, guys, we got it loaded up. It's chained down. We're fixing to head back to the house.
God, look.
Actually, we're going to be going by the car wash to do a little spray wash on it. Do what?
It's already been bondoed.
What's that?
The bed,
Oh, really?
the whole bed.
Are you serious?
Look. You can tell.
We'll call it the Bondo buggy.
Oh yeah, that's a good
That's
one.
it. It's called. This is the Bondo buggy. All right, guys. We'll catch up back with you shortly when we get to the car wash, and we will holler at y'all later. Well, we picked it up and we're headed home. Actually, we're gonna head by and we're gonna spray it, see what it looks like, you know, with a little cleaned action. We'll run by the car wash and see what we gotta do. Catch you later. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
You got to push. Need help?
I got it.
All right. All right.
That's it.
Unhook the winch from it. We'll hook that back up. Well, we didn't get the first part of unloading it, but we had to come up with some fortuitous engineering because we both forgot the ramps back where we picked the truck up. So we've got to go back and get the ramps when we take the trailer back. My idea with this was that this battery charged up. He has not charged this battery in 2 years. Huh. I got all right, well, we got it unloaded and we got it here at the house. And give y'all a little walk around. We thought it had Bondo in the bed, but actually it's got a rubber mat, which makes me wonder how bad it's rusted underneath, so I'm not even going to look. We're just going to say, hey, it's okay. It is kind of rusty. Look at the gas tank, no gas cap, so yeah, I think we're going to be dropping the tank. So, but the tires did hold air. It does have a little bit of rusty on it, but other than that, we're going to get out here and see if we can get it. It is a Cushman. I still haven't found out what year Cushman it is, but ow, of course I hit my head on it. Let's see, it doesn't say anywhere what year it is, but we'll find out and try to get it running and see what we got to do and learn all that we got to do about this. But be kind of interesting to see if we can get it going. First things first, brakes, fuel, all that kind of good stuff, and we'll go from there. But appreciate y'all watching. Comment, like, subscribe. Locust Farm and Fab Shop. The old saying is, you know, if it ain't broke, I didn't work on it. We'll see you later.